Welcome guys to DIY Workshop.
This is Kev from DIYMechanical.
We are fully equipped with all the tools that you need, starting from mechanical tools to tyre changes, tyre machines, presses.
Well, we've got the 4-ton 2-post hoist. From the videos you can see we've got 2 of those in place, and we've got a range of other equipment like oil drainers, transmission jack, trolley jacks, jack stands, and so on. Don't forget guys, we've got the drink machine here, so if you're thirsty, we've got the drinks here for you, but no alcohol. We're at Unit 2, number 20 Hurrell Way, Rockingham. Come on down and see how we can help you out.